Hello everyone, this is the Weather Luxury Watch Studio, specializing in RMA Ronix original data development. Today, I bring you a new type of PP grenade. Its model is PP5261R. We commonly call it the smiley face. For this kind of watch, it is a multifunctional timing type. This style of a grenade watch, its price in the secondary market is also very high. The whole watch costs 1.2 million. For this kind of watch is customized through the original data of 3C. Its case and buckle is made of real 18-karat pure gold. Made of this material. For such a watch, the material in the counter is a 17.5 carat of 1/8K gold, so it will have a certain weight and a certain sense of pressure. Firstly, let's weigh it together to see how much this watch weighs. How much does the entire watch weigh? Let's take a look together. You can see that the weight of the entire watch is 130.5 grams. This weight is exactly the same as the original one. Such a weight, if we customize it with 18-karat gold, its case and buckle, we really use the same material to restore its weight, to restore its color and texture. For a case like ours, are all modeled through 3-dimensional and 5-axis machine tools. Whether it's the case shape, dial diameter or thickness, all of which are completely consistent with the original. For this watch, it is a multifunctional grenade watch. What are its functions? First, at the 3 o'clock position on the left, this dial is for the function of the week. Then at 6 o'clock below is a calendar function. Then, at 9 o'clock, it has the function of the month. The 12 o'clock position is for the moon phase function. We developed and customized it based on the original data. The 24/0 movement behind it can realize all its functions. Let me show you. In fact, for a multifunctional timing watch like this, PP watches mostly have a quick button, to adjust it. For example, if I press the button on the lower left corner, let me show you. You can see that after pressing it, the week will jump. Then press the key on this side. You can see where it is adjusting. It adjusts the month. See? Then press the key above. Press the upper button. You can see that pressing the upper button, it can adjust the moon phase. That is to say, the side button can adjust all the functions inside it. Our CNC original data is developed. This 5261R grenade can realize all the functions. How to adjust the calendar and our hand. Let me show you. After you turn the crown out, pull out the first gear. You can adjust the calendar. See? To adjust the calendar. Then, for the time, pull out the second gear of the watch. You can adjust the time. See? So the function of it is completely consistent with the original one. When we develop CNC original data, we will use the same materials to achieve the same weight and color consistency and texture. Including this watch, all its functions can be realized. Like this watch, its 18-karat pure gold case is polished, brushed, and polished by the master. You can see the degree of wire drawing is completely aligned, and the polishing surface of it is very well handled. For watches like this PP, their bezels are not pure circles. It has such a corner. See? Like our edges and corners is developed based on the original data. The edges are very clear and on the case have been chamfered and polished. The treatment is very good. Then look at the back. On the back there is a precious metal mark, such as the dog head on the edge, and AU 7500 here, and the scales mark here, and the PPC mark. These marks are all chiseled by hand. It's standard. This is the movement behind it. This is the back of the movement. It's a die-cast movement, and its buckle, and its Karatov's mark, are also carved based on the original data. See? It's very clear. On its back there is a precious metal mark. Let me show you. AU 750 mark, the dog head mark, and the PVC mark. These marks are also manually chiseled, which is very vivid. For our custom-made 18-karat gold watches, is truly developed based on the original data. Let everyone wear it and take it off to show to your friends. At least it won't be obvious that there's a problem. It's not embarrassing. For a watch like this, PP5261R rose gold with a blue dial is actually very beautiful. If you like this kind of multifunctional watch, such a watch, you can contact us. If you like Chancha's watch videos, you can double-click to like and follow us. See you next time.